guys? Sorry it's been so long since my last video. Today, or for this whole week, I'm going to be in South Georgia Motorsports Park for Lights Out 13. I'm working with my boss on all of the Scott Tidwell racing cars, 2 Pro 275 cars and an LDR car. We're about to go make some hits and see what we can do. First test session went great. Now we're going back to the rig to get all the cars ready for the next pass, and hopefully we can go even faster next. All right, we're back in the pits. I done drained all of the tanks out. I'm about to cover back on and get her tightened down. Alright guys, it's day 2. I'm about to make some test passes and qualify another time tonight for Q2. Let's hope all the cars go down the track and we don't have any problems.
So
Alright, we had a slight problem on that last pass with 881. We got it back to the pits and it started dumping transmission fluid all down the motor plate and out of the converter when we pulled the little plate off to see inside of it. And we got it pulled out, and I'm pretty sure that converter's trashed, so I guess we'll have to get one of the spares and put that in there. And we'll be ready for day 3. And we got a bunch of qualifying passes tomorrow. So, let's see what we do. I'll throw your back out now.
That ain't bad. We'll get in there.
See how we got the other converter out now. About to put it back in the transmission, and then lift it up back in its spot. Hopefully get this thing back together and get some sleep tonight. So got the transmission back in, and we're adding some fluid now, and we're gonna get it all put back together and ready for the next round of qualifying tomorrow. But we're glad that it was just a converter, and we hope that it didn't send, you know, enough metal shavings through the transmission to mess anything else up. But the only way to know is for us to run it. Let's go run, Tim.
Well, apparently I don't really know.
folks, while we do some racetrack manicuring here before the track boys and girls of the limited drag radio come down the track, check out the official merchandise tent right by the VIP tent. The official. Ain't no bootleg stuff here. Not something you get at the Finger Original. This is official. Right side of the Jensen and merchandise. Right on the side of the VIP tent. See if Papa Duncan else to see around.
America.
Give a big thank you to the bestest branding and marketing person Doomsday Productions has ever had. That's right, Jennifer Green is killing it. Well, you know the art coming up here next. Moving along here on day number 3.
So the struggle returns. Come back after a pass, and as you can see, these springs are in 2 pieces. Also, this is chewed up pretty bad. So we got to take all this apart, and then on that side, a spark plug exploded. So we got to change the rod and piston out on that side and get all this crap back together to race tomorrow. If y'all didn't know, this is what a blown up spark plug looks like at about 5,000 horsepower. So I think you should all know what it looks like. That's what we got. It slightly burned it right through here. Got a bunch of debris in here. Beat it up pretty bad, but it should be safe. Already got the heads off. We're gonna go ahead and change the rods out. They get changed about every 20 passes. So we got Brandon over here. Let's go ahead and getting all those ready to go back in. We'll get this puppy slapped back together. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. We just put the same back together. Let's fire it back up. It's day 4 out here. We're going up for our first round of eliminations. Track absolutely sucks right now. It's really, really hot out here. It's all gummy and crap. But hopefully it can get down, but chances aren't very likely. But we got some good tuners right here. Another prediction.
With eliminating LDR round number 1 again, we do appreciate your patience and understanding.
final round right now. Hopefully we can make a good pass, take home the whole prize, baby, and then get that nice winner circle picture, which you all will see if we make it there. Let's do it. Well, guys, you win some and you lose some. You can't win them all. Usually the track during the day down here has been pretty crappy. It's been awful. And I think everybody was thinking it was going to be bad and, you know, tuned for that. So ended up wheeling and he drove right around us in the end. Killed him on the tree, but, I mean, if you're up in the air, you can't really do much. So, guess next race. All right, we're about to head back home. We're getting everything loaded up right now after that loss. Well, thank y'all for watching this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you like what you're seeing. And I should have some more videos coming out real soon on my car, not just the race. But thank you. Y'all have a great day.